Unlock the power of unified insights by learning how to blend your Google Ads data with other valuable sources in Looker Studio, letting you see the full story of your marketing efforts. First, let's add our data sources. Click the Add Data button at the top. Connect your Google Ads account and any other platform you want to analyze alongside your ad campaigns, like Google Analytics or a Google Sheet with sales data. Once your data sources are connected, find the Blend Data option, usually located in the Resource or Edit Data Source section. This will open the Blend Data interface. Now, drag and drop the data sources you want to blend into the blending area. Looker Studio will automatically try to find common fields to join them, like date or campaign ID. If it doesn't, you'll need to manually define a join key the field that connects the two datasets. Carefully configure your join condition. Choose the appropriate join type left outer, right outer, inner, or full outer depending on which records you want to include in your final blended dataset. For example, a left outer join will include all rows from the first table and matching rows from the second. Next, select the dimensions and metrics you want to include in your blended data source. Dimensions are your categorical data, like campaign name or device type, and metrics are your numerical data, like clicks, impressions, and conversions. Choose wisely to get the most relevant insights. Finally, create charts and reports using your newly blended data source. You can now visualize how your Google Ads campaigns are impacting other key business metrics, enabling you to make smarter, data-driven decisions to optimize your advertising strategy.